Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on a Prius C. This video will work for 2012 to 2018 Prius Cs. This particular vehicle is a 2015 Prius C. So it's pretty simple, you don't need any special tools, so let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so the air filter's in this box. It's pretty easy to replace. You just have to remove these metal clips. And then this thing's kind of on a hinge, so you just like rock it out of there and then you take it out and there's your old air filter. And putting the new one in is just as easy as taking the old one out. So you just lift this up, put it in there, line these back with the hinges, and then close the metal clips. It's as easy as that, you guys. All right guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, there wasn't a lot to that, so go ahead and check out my other Prius C videos and hopefully they can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.